Hi, good morning. I'm Ellie Marion, and I'm the Closet Quilter. We're still in reno mode, so I'm in the library. Today, I just wanted to alleviate some of your apprehensions about how big of a quilt you can work on the Cutie frame. I have on the frame here, I'm going to show you. We're going to back up a little. Here we go. Okay, there. I have on my frame 108 by 108. I don't know if you can see. Let's see here. It is dragging on the floor. You can see it. I'm not stepping on it. I just kick it under. It's gonna get washed. But I have a large quilt on here. Those of you that know me, okay. Those of you that know me know I like to show things as they really are. And this is about as real as it gets. I have it draped over. I have the block that I want to work on. This particular block, this quilt is, the blocks are on point. They're oriented on point, but I'm stitching them vertically and horizontally. It's just easier for my brain, and it fits in the space that I have for my machine, 15-inch machine. Now when I'm working on a domestic, it's much smaller. I have the hoop in more. I have it out almost all the way now. So it's kind of, I have to reach a little bit. I don't like that, but what can I do? I guess I could shorten it and just move closer, work in smaller sections, but it's more shifting and it's very heavy. The bigger the quilt, the more heavy it will be. That's just a fact. I am working in wool batting, so that's very heavy. I like it a lot. So it's super easy to get some nice loft. And I'm just gonna clip the back clips to hold this because I can feel it starting to pull. I use the back clips to hold it in place so I can judge what I'm doing here. I've got some issues here with the pucker there. A little bit of a, so I have to adjust this a little so I can see it's not straight. So I'm going to take these off and I'm just going to pull it down ever so gently. See, there's a little tuck right there. So I'm going to get that taken care of. I'm going to release some of the stitches. And get that done. But I have to go to physical therapy here soon, so I just wanted to stop in and share with you what this is really like. I'll do some quilting today and try to video something for you. I'm going to be doing feathers on this one, just a lot of feathers, some real gala feathers. I think Victorian, very sweeping feathers. So we'll see what that looks like. I'm going to do them on the vertical horizontal, so when it's on point, it will actually have a different effect. So that should be nice. So what I do is, for all our new quilters, when you hoop, you use your smoothie clips on the back. You get your area that you want to work in. I found out really quickly that sometimes there's just no need to hoop the whole thing. I actually use like 2 smoothies for the block that I'm working on. And then I get it as close to as tight as I want. I do need a little slack. So sometimes I karate chop, sometimes I don't have to. This one I don't have to because there's a lot of weight holding it. So then I just snap that rigidity clip on. And I've got it, but I can see a tuck here, so I'm going to release that stitches and get that straightened out. And then I will decide what my design will be. And of course, I'll share that with you. Now, there's a lot of fullness in here. That was unexpected. So I have to deal with that. How I deal with it is I make sort of a frame in there to kind of pull it to the sides so that the center has more tension. So I may do that. I'm going to decide what design I'm going to do on the sides, and then I'll get back to you. I hope you have a great quilting day, and thanks for stopping by the Closet Quilter.